Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got here, Donna Pina? That looks like some yeast. And Donna Pina, what are you gonna do with that yeast today? What are you doing with this? What are you making today? Pizza.
Pizza Siciliana.
Okay, so we're gonna make a couple of pizzas, but what we're gonna film is traditional, what's called cucina povera, which means like poor kitchen. Back when she was a kid, 10 years old, there wasn't, she told me, in her town even mozzarella. Even though her father was a shepherd, he didn't make mozzarella. He made ricotta, and he made aged ricotta to sell to the community. So the ingredients today to make the dough is what we're going to talk about first. Are 6 cups of all-purpose flour, yeah, yeast, and we'll see how much Donna Pina puts, some oil, some sugar, which is going to help activate the yeast, and a cup of water. And as I said, the pizza today will be very basic. It'll be with some Parmigiano cheese, some sauce, and it'll be a thicker style Sicilian pizza that my mother grew up making. And then she'll make some other ones for her granddaughters, Victoria and Sarah, who have requested this episode actually. So, Donna Pina, let's see what you're gonna do here. How much yeast are you putting?
1 spoon.
Okay, so that's a dinner spoon.
One cup of water.
Okay, so that water's lukewarm. It's not cold. Non è fredda, right, ma?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Yeah,
lukewarm. So let's see here, Donna Pina. That is a dinner spoon. That is not a teaspoon. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Sugar, a little bit of sugar.
Let's see how much. Okay, same amount. Okay, so tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of dry active yeast.
Okay.
You can see this yeast. It's like it looks like sand almost. So you're gonna stir that, Donna Pina.
See.
And then how long are you gonna let that?
5 minutes.
5-10 minutes. Okay. And is it gonna dissolve? Yeah, you're gonna shake it till it dissolves, I guess. Alright, so it has been about 8 minutes, and this yeast, as you can see, has started to bubble. You can see it's starting to bubble. That's when you know that it's ready to rock and roll, when you see it starting to bubble. So Donna Pina, we've got your 6 cups of flour, we have your half a cup of oil, we've got your palm full of salt in the flour. Now you're going to add the yeast. 1 cup of water is what we use for the yeast.
Okay.
And now you're adding a little bit of water at a time. There's 1 cup of water there you have to have as a reserve for when you mix this up. Okay, so we use that 1 cup of water that we had there. Donna Pina, you want to add another half a cup, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go get you half a cup of water. How's that? How about I help you do that? Okay? Hot water. Okay. Yeah, it's hot. Okay, half a cup you said. There you go, Donna Pina. Half a cup of water for you.
Okay.
Yep. A little bit at a time. Okay, so Donna Pina has been working this dough for about 5 minutes. And in terms of the extra water that we added, she asked for an extra half a cup. So what we ended up using above and beyond the water that the yeast was in is 1.25 cups. So in total, with the yeast water and this water, with 6 cups of flour, we used 2.25 cups of water. Because it was 1 cup with the yeast, and it was 1.25 cups with just the water itself. So then, Peter, what are you going to do now?
The mix.
No, you're done. Okay.
Yeah, you're done.
You're done. It's nice and pliable. Let's see. Let's see.
Put in the plastic.
So this is going to grow now. The yeast is going to activate, right? The yeast is going to make it get bigger. It's going to double in size.
Yeah,
okay. So put it in the plastic like you like to do. got yeast. So now, Nonna Pina, you are going to use this dough. Obviously, you're going to cut it up and levadovaglia. And you're going to use some tomato sauce, parmigiano, some parsley, dry parsley, dry oregano, and some olive oil. Let's see you do it, Nonna Pina. Straightened out the dough into this square pan, and what we're going to do now is what, Nonna Pina?
Put something,
Like a towel?
the towel.
So that it could rise a little bit more.
Yeah.
We're going to proof it.
Yeah.
In English, it is a proof. Ma, say proof it.
Proof.
Nice. Okay, Nonna Pina. We'll put the towel on top. Get the towel and put it on top. We'll come back in how long, Nonna Pina? Half an hour?
Half hour.
Okay. Okay, Nonna Pina. It's been about half an hour. We've been proofing the dough. So let's see you make your Sicilian pizza from when you were 10 years old. What are you gonna put? Go ahead. Okay, ora un extra parmigiano di sopra. Great job, Nonna Pina. Great job, great job, great job. Looks fantastic. Nonna Pina, thank you for making the pizza. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Okay, Ma. Great job. Very, very, very nice. Show me the bottom, Ma. The risulta. Who's this pizza for?
Victoria.
This is for Victoria?
Sarah.
And Sarah. Okay, well, there it is, people. It's going to go in the oven. I got to go. So you can imagine what a cooked pizza looks like. But there is Victoria and Sarah's pizza. Bye, Nonna Pina.
Bye.